Marvelous, can you remove your face mask?
Okay.
Thank you. Marvelous, you were at Abia State Police Command to see Andrew Ochekwo.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you confirm to me that the person you saw here today at the mortuary in Benue State is Andrew Ochekwo?
Yes, it's confirmed. You saw the bastard there. Confirmed. A very useless man.
Okay, so this person here is Andrew, right?
Yes, sir.
My brother, the person you have seen on video, pictures, is it the same person you saw here?
Exactly.
Any difference?
No.
Even with the big head, everything is intact.
Everything.
Okay, you confirm that this man here
Lashes,
is
everything.
Andrew. Okay. All right, guys. So we are still in Benue State. All right. I'm going to show you the video of Andrew the day he was killed. The pictures and videos of Andrew the day he was killed. All right. I'm going to show you the videos and picture. Okay. I'm still going to add a video of the video when he was the day he was shot.
Okay.
Attach it to the thing too, so that everybody can see it too.
Right.
So we are here at the mortuary. The man that people are saying that police people collected money and he escaped is at the mortuary in Otukpo in Benue State. So the story from the police that this man is dead is correct. All right. So if you want to get more verification about if he's alive, go to the police. Police will bring you to the mortuary and show you. All right. Yes. But this, simple as that. All right. So please, this man Andrew Amaechi Ochekwo is dead and is gone
Forever.
He's not alive anymore. He's nowhere, anywhere. If you see him anywhere in this country, anywhere in this world, just know say me Harrison don't lie for you.
You can never rest in peace.
So this man, he don't die. As they escaped from what the police said, he was shot and he was killed. Okay, so while verifying his dead body at the mortuary, I had to put 3 persons on the video call. My mommy Ajotu, Tessie, the sister to Celine, and one of the victims of Andrew, a lady who confirmed that this man is Andrew. We were so, yeah. So this is when I made the call again to ask the girl, is the man you saw, is it Andrew or is it Ukokafu? And he said, this is Andrew. My mind is now at rest. And from what we saw here now, the man don't die. He's not alive in that mortuary. He's gone and he's gone forever. So I will share the video. I will still share the picture of the day he died, the day they killed him, how it looks like and everything. You understand? All right. So this man now that you saw now on video call, is it the same Andrew Ochekwo or somebody else?
That's Andrew. It's confirmed. That's Andrew.
All right. Thank you very much.